They're like literally $4 a piece, and I should be able to work fine for a couple of thousand miles. So let's see how it does. To see if there's any dust and debris inside the spark plug holes. So far so good. Then I had to clean them. No oil residue or anything like that. See if it as always make sure that if it's burning oil, to see if there's any oil residue coming from the spark plugs. Or for six area. Spark plugs with auto light from advanced auto plugs, they're $4 a piece, so six of them came up to around $25, close to like $26. Not bad though. I mean, it's the first time I've seen spark plugs at low cost. Quite cheap.